To find the equation for this circle, the first thing we want to do is find the center of the circle. And we do that with the midpoint formula. So we see that the center of the circle will be at the ordered pair of x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. And then plugging in the endpoints of the diameter, we can see that the center must be at 1 minus 5 over 2, 2 plus 8 over 2, putting the center at negative 4 halves, 10 halves, which is negative 2 comma 5. So going up here, we have a center at 2, 5. We also know that our circle has to pass through the endpoints of this diameter. So we can use the general equation of a circle, plugging in the h and k values. We need to solve for r squared, and we do that by plugging in one of the diameter endpoints for x and y. I'm going to pick the first one, the ordered pair 1, comma 2, plug in 1 for x, 2 for y, sorry, I forgot this is an ordered pair of negative 2, 5, meaning our x value is a positive 2. There we go. Okay, now that we've made that little correction, we get 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 minus 5 squared equals r squared. So 3 squared plus negative 3 squared equals r squared. 9 plus 9 equals r squared, meaning r squared equals 18. So our radius is a square root of 18, or we can say that r squared equals 18. Meaning the general form for this circle is x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 18. And that's the solution to problem 7. Oh, I'm sorry, 8. For problem 9, we are given a formula for a circle. X squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 10y equals negative 5. We want to find the circle's center, the radius, and then graph that circle in the Cartesian plane. What we want to do then is to get this circle into the standard form equation that we already set up, which we have right up here. We are given x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 10y equals negative 5. To get this equation into standard form, first I'm going to group my x terms together, then I'm going to group my y terms together, and make sure all the constant terms are on the right hand side. I want to then complete the square for both my x and y terms. If you're not sure what that means, go back and review the videos on completing the square. So I get x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals negative 5. And what I want to make sure that I do is to also add the 9 and the 25 to the right side so that my equation stays balanced. X squared plus 6x plus 9 factors into x plus 3 squared. Y squared minus 10y plus 25 factors into y minus 5 squared. And over here I'm left with 29, meaning my circle has its center at negative 3, 5 and a radius of square root of 29.